Hello everyone, welcome to our video session. So today in our video we are drawing different kinds of flowers. So the first flower I'm gonna draw is a beautiful lotus. So everyone, lotus looks beautiful and it always floats on water. So I'm gonna draw a leaf and a tulip flower. So let me shade this lotus with pink shade and the green shade for the leaf. Let's move on. So here in the second flower I am drawing a beautiful roses. So roses, many girls like it and it looks beautiful and it smells good. So I am drawing a leaf of the roses and then I need to shade. So I am using red and green shade. Next let me move on. I'm drawing a different kinds of flowers, same like it looks like a tulip type. So here I'm drawing a 4 U's, again one more U's and connecting to it. So here we are drawing a beautiful flower show of a card with a leaf. So here is a leaf and then I need to color them. Let's move on. Here using a pencil I'm drawing an and then a flower. So again I'm drawing a flower that is opening and then I'm shading the flower and I'm drawing a leaf of the flower slowly and then shade them. Next again I'm drawing 3 U's and connecting the flowers. So multiple types of flowers has been drawn to different types of U's. And here we are drawing leaves to the flowers. So every flowers will have a leaf together. So here I am drawing a bow type and connecting these different types of flowers to the bow. And here's a beautiful flower with a bow attached together. So with the leaf, here's a beautiful flower bouquet frame. And then let's move on. I'm drawing a flower with a leaf. So using a pencil, so draw the flower and then using a black sketch again draw one more flower. That is a sunflower that is opening. It's brightly opened up with the leaf. And let's put some shade to the flower. And let's move on. I'm drawing 3 U's and again I'm connecting 3 U's. Here we are drawing different kinds of tulips in an easy way using a black sketch. So tulip is also a kind of flower that everyone likes in today's world and we are drawing a leaf in an elegant way. So let me put some shades to this tulip flower. Let's move on. I'm drawing 3, 4, 5 a type of shape and I'm connecting this to a leaf. So again then I'm connecting different types of flowers. It looks like daisy. So I'm just drawing the leaves of different colors and then I'm shading this daisy flower.